everyone and welcome back sa tahanang ASC Variety Vlogs, and today sasamahan niyo ako guys as we'll be making one of Filipinos favorite dessert, at yan po yung mango float. Yes, we have a mango here in front of us, and then this is napakatamis talaga, kasing mas matamis siya of course. Pero napakasarap ng mangga na to guys. Kung kita niyo naman, 'di ba? Ang sarap-sarap, o 'di ba? Kitang-kita niyo diyan. So, ano pala, trivia pala sa mga hindi pa naka-try o hindi pa nakapunta ng Thailand, and I'm sure yung mga nakapunta na ng Thailand at nakatikim na ng kanilang mango sticky rice, they could attest talaga that Thai mango, sinasabi natin na Guimaras mango in the Philippines is the sweetest in the world. Hindi naman ako dyan disagree. Oo naman talaga. Pero ang mangga rin talaga ng Thailand is pwedeng panlaban. So hindi ibig sabihin na nawala na yung aking pagiging patriotism dyan. Pero talagang matamis. And then fruits in Thailand is really sweet, na even maniniwala kayo hindi, even yung kanilang tamarin, sampalok, sambag sa Bisaya is napakatamis talaga. So anyway, tikman nyo yan pag napunta kayo ng Thailand. And then huwag nyong kalimutan guys ha, mango sticky rice is one of my favorites in Thailand, na talaga namang uulit-ulitin mo pag natikman mo yan. So but anyway, today we'll not be making those desserts, those food, but we'll be doing not mango sticky rice. Mango sticky rice na tuloy ang ating masasabi, but we'll be doing a mango float, which is favorite for Filipino homes and of course Filipino families kapag ka may mga gatherings, especially during mango season. Kasi ngayon guys in Thailand is mango season na, which is also the same in the Philippines. So ang kilo ngayon dito ng mangga, for the information of everyone, lalo na yung nasa labas, this one 3 kilograms. I bought this one for 100 baht, so that would mean 35 a kilo. And kapag maghanap ka ng medyo mas mura, meron ka makukuha na 20. So ganon din sa Pilipinas naman, diba? Kapag season talaga ng isang prutas is bagsak ang presyo. So hindi natin palampasin yung season ng mga mangga. And of course we have to make a very favorite na Filipino dessert na ginugusto ng karamihan, at yan nga yung mango float. So let's go. Samahan niyo na ako guys as we have to slice down this mango, at kailangan na nating tanggalin sa kanyang buto-buto ng marili na natin to. So basta napakasarap nito guys. Oh, very juicy. Medyo may oops! Diba ang sarap ng mangga natin, ano? Kita niyo naman yan.
So ang ating next move guys, since tapos na natin mag-prepare yung ating mango, is
And then, na-chill na rin natin itong ating Nestle cream. Ay atin na itong ilalagay into a bowl para ready na tayong ayan, na-chill na natin to guys. Kaya kung kita nyo medyo ganyan ang itsura niya. So mayroong ibang gumagawa nito na hindi nila chinichill yung Nestle cream. Pero ako kasi is ginagawa nating double yung volume ng ating Nestle cream para mas masarap. So, ang gagawin nyo talaga guys is i-chill nyo yan. Lagay nyo sa freezer ninyo and then saka nyo siya trabhoin. Kasi, tell you, mas maganda yung output niya kapag ganun ang inyong ginagawa. So ayan, last layer na tayo guys. And this is now the last part. So, diba? Ang sarap na yung ating ginagawa. Medyo kulang na siguro itong ating crushed graham dito sa ating last. But anyway, this is the upper part ready. So, okay lang yan. Level lang natin guys. Ano? Medyo matabunan pa siguro So, okay lang. Who can't imagine to eat this one tomorrow? It's ready for tomorrow. Oh, Wing BTA, you can take this one tomorrow and you can have it for your merienda. Gina Ramos Mix Channel. Kayong lahat, pwede kayo dito kumuha. Gima Mix Vlog. Alright? So, dyan tayo nagtatapos. And of course, sayang naman itong gatas. Hindi natin gagamitin. So, ibibilig natin dyan sa nanunuyo-nuyo na. So, kapag tuyo, diligan guys. Ano? Para mamasa-masa din naman yan. And then, dagdag lasa pa yan. Dagdag sarap. Basta ibuhos na lang natin yan. Oh, sorry. Medyo. Okay, finished. We are good. So, atin na yan. Tatakpan. Oops. Clumsy. Ayan. At ayun na guys. Tapos na at dito ready na ang ating ginawang manga float. And of course, kukuha na tayo at titikman natin ito kung gaano ba siya kalinamnam yung ating ginawa na talaga namang my God, it's sweetie, it's sweetie, it's sweetie, it's sweetie, it's sweetie, it's sweetie. Kita niyo naman ano? So, ganyan siya kasarap. And yun. So, balik muna natin ito sa freezer. This is our finished product. So, kita nyo naman ano, hindi yan tinipid sa mangga. And then, let's have it. Sarap!